It's in Japanese, but we have the pictures, right? So it shouldn't be a big problem. Here I have all the parts. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, no problem. Let's get. Let's do the legs. Is this the legs? I mean, this has to be like this. In the shield, this is the gun. So this is here, these two. I connect them with this. So these are the legs. This has to be them. Now this goes. Okay. Okay, the legs. Here's the hand. From my understanding, it should be like this. This goes here. Right? Here. Goes in here. Go. Okay. And we are done. Here is our guy. What a handsome guy. One piece left. What happened to that? This one over here. I think it's turned into a dragon. Looks pretty cool. Let me know if you want me to build this one as well. If you want me to do a stream or a video, I'll love to do that. And this is the guy that I got from my gacha machine. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to tell me what this is. Bye!